preparing for maths intermediate. Okay, so I am going to explain you the weightage of marks in 1A maths. Okay, this is specially for math students. Okay, how to prepare the chapter wise preparation for exams. Okay children, first of all we have to know the marks allotted for every chapter. Okay, we have to specially see which chapter have which how many marks. Okay, so I have written here chapter wise marks and question paper pattern, which question and how many marks given in chapter. Okay, so first here I have written maths A. How many chapters are there? 10 chapters are there totally. So paper consists of 75 marks. Okay, we have pass marks 26. Okay children, here first chapter is functions going. Here taking how many marks? 11 marks. How it is allotted for 11 marks? How many questions are coming in question paper? See here, 2 marks questions are there and 7 marks question is there. So only one question, 7 marks, that is total 11 marks coming from functions topic. Okay, next mathematical induction chapter is there, only 7 marks question, that is section 3, that is 7 marks question is coming, only one question we have to prepare for, that is divisibility, or you know that what is important in mathematical induction chapter. Okay, we will see next after this. Okay, what is third chapter? Matrices chapter is there. Okay children, there are 2 questions for matrices, that is 2 marks question for two questions and 4 marks only one question is coming. 7 marks in section 3, 2 questions are coming. So total how many marks? 7 plus 7 14, 4 plus 4 8 marks, 22 marks. Okay, now addition of vectors chapter and product of vectors chapter is there, 4 and 5 chapters. So in this chapter we have first 2 marks 2 questions are there, that is 4A 4B exercise coming from 4A and 4B, one question is coming, 2 marks. Okay, and 4 marks question is coming, only one question is coming, that is 8 marks section 2. Okay children, 8 marks is allotted for addition of vectors. Okay, hello children, see here weightage of marks in 1A intermediate. Okay, product of vectors chapter, 2 marks question is 1 and 4 marks question is 1, 7 marks question is 1. 3 sections we are coming with product of vector chapter. 13 marks question is marks are allotted for product of total 23 marks allotted here, 26 marks. Trigonometric ratios up to transformation, this is 6th chapter. In this 2 marks questions are 2 questions are there and 4 marks is 1 question, 7 is 1 question is coming, 7 marks question, that is total 15 marks are coming. Okay, trigonometric equation, only matrices is the highest weightage chapter children. So be prepared matrices very well for exam, so you can score full marks 22. It is very easy and very problematic chapter also. So trigonometric equations, this is 7th chapter, only 4 marks is allotted, only one question is coming from this equations chapter. Okay, inverse trigonometric functions, this also having only one question, that is 4 marks question, and hyperbolic functions 2 marks question, that is very easy questions coming from hyperbolic functions. So this is 2 marks questions from section A only. So properties of triangles chapter, that is last 10th properties are there, triangles chapter, that is 2 sections, 4 marks section and 7 marks questions are coming, only 2 questions, that is section 2 and section 3. Okay, 11 marks are from 10th chapter. Okay, which is the highest weightage is matrices, and next functions topic and product of vectors and addition of vectors topic children, and next trigonometric ratios 15 marks, and next properties of triangle 11 marks coming from this. So we have to be prepared well from these chapters. Highest marks scoring chapters weightage of marks is coming from functions, matrices, vectors 2 chapters, trigonometric ratios and trigonometric equations, properties of triangles. First prepare these hard chapters which having more marks. Okay, weightage of marks is more, so we have to be prepared for full scoring chapters. Okay children, so in this I am written here how many sections are there. Question pattern is we have section 3 sections are there, section 1, section 2, section 3. From this 10 questions are 2 marks question, that is 20 marks questions, and section 2 we have 5 questions, 4 marks carrying, each question carries 4 marks, and that is 20 marks questions total bit. Third bit, that is 7 questions are giving and only we have to do 5 questions from that questions, so 7 5s are 35 marks. So total how many marks question paper? 75 marks question paper. Okay children, so I am coming to the topics of chapters here. Chapter wise I will show you which chapter having questions from here. See here, 2 marks questions, 2 questions are from functions topic. Okay, 1A 1B exercise we have 2 questions comes from 1A exercise and 1B exercise. Okay, one question from 1A exercise and one question from 1B. So be prepared from exercise 1A and 1B for 2 marks questions. And seventh one is section C, that is 7 marks question, that is theorem, depends on theorem question, math inverse function and theorems are there. So prepare for theorem also, you can easily do the theorem. Okay, mathematical induction, we get only one question, that is section C, that is problems of divisibility. So depends on divisibility problem, we have question. Matrices we have to prepare for 2 marks and 4 marks and 7 marks, children. So first 2 marks we will get for section 1 and section 2. Determinants are also important, determinants. And section 3, rank of a matrix and consistency and inconsistency topics are there. First, matrices, in matrices I am writing here which topics are there. Determinants for 4 marks also we have to prepare, and consistency and inconsistency topic we get the question. Okay, addition of fourth chapter, that is vectors topic, we get 2 marks and 4 marks. Okay, vectors also addition and product of, we get questions from 4A. And 7th section C, third section also we get 7 marks question. Okay, longest problem we will have to do. And trigonometric ratios, we have topics like in trigonometry, I will show you a textbook, children. Trigonometric, we have ratios of compound angles, graphs are there, periodicity also there. We have to prepare for 2 marks questions, 2 questions coming for section 1. And sums and product transformation, so that is second section also, third question we will. Okay, get trigonometric equations, we get only one question, that is section 2. And inverse trigonometry, we get bijective functions, properties of inverse trigonometry functions. Okay, children, two second section we get only one question. Okay, hyperbolic function, we get how many marks? Only one section 1, that is finding of sine inverse and cos inverse, we have to find, giving one function we have to find another function, like the questions we get. Properties of triangle, we get 7 marks question and 4 marks questions. So be prepared for properties of triangle, children, we get 2 questions. Okay, so like this we have to prepare, children. First of all, we have to see the questions, hard chapters we have to prepare first. Okay, children, next video I will upload for 1B marks. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.